to Sentence English here. This is the practice lesson that's conducted by my student. They are all from class 7. Okay, so we're going to enjoy this lesson. Just practice sessions. You are requested to join this session just fluently. Okay, or you can ask questions from all the topic. And during this session, you are completely prohibited to use any Bangla sentences. Okay, if you have a problem, you can raise your hand. I will definitely try to solve your problem. Okay, let's have a look and let's get started. Saniha, you are the first one, and you please stand up.
Hi Sunny, how are you?
Speaker. You can hold the speaker on your hand. Yeah.
Hi Saniha, how are you?
Yeah, I'm great. What about you?
I'm doing great. Do you think holiday is important as student?
Obviously-
Speaker to put
Sir, I'm talking Korean now, please. Repeat your question, please.
Holiday is important as student? Do you think holiday is important as student?
Obviously, I think holiday is important for a student because it makes our work timely, perfectly, and it's recharged and refreshed our body. So I think holiday is important for a student.
Thank you Saniha.
Two question for each.
Okay.
Two question for each. One more question. Yeah.
Where did you go for your last holiday?
Public holiday or weekend holiday?
Public
That
holiday.
doesn't matter. You have to just answer.
Okay.
Whether it may be public or private, it doesn't matter, okay? Just
Okay.
where did you go your last holiday?
Okay. I went to my last holiday. It was my cousin's birthday. That day was very awesome, and the weather is also good. And I wish my cousins, and that was the weekend holiday.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a seat, please. Alaf, carry on. On that side.
Hi Sania, how are you?
I'm great, and you?
I'm also great. Uh, Please describe your hometown.
Okay, my hometown is small, but it has many things to see. First of all, I would like to say the uh, the public park because it's the main attraction in the Panchbibi and it's situated at the central position of Panchbibi. And there are many special attraction in my hometown, like there is Pathurghata. It's the famous historical place, and there is also Lakma Rajbari. It's also the landlord house. So those are some attraction.
Okay, my second question is, do color affect your mind?
When I was child,
Yes.
yeah, obviously that color makes my mood because when I was child, I loved color because I like very colors. So I was participate in like drawing competition, and sometimes I got prizes. So
Okay.
It's it.
Thank you.
Next.
What's the name of your hometown name?
My hometown name is Panchbibi, and it's the
Which way it
northern part of Bangladesh.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black, white, and purple.
Why?
Because when I was dyed, then all are black. There is no point of light. And white for because when I was dyed, then my shutter clothes is also white. So white for that.
Next.
What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Eid because I'm a Muslim and I like Eid very much.
Speak a little bit louder so that
My
we can hear you. Okay.
What language do you speak?
I speak Bangla, English, Bangla because it's my native language and it's also my mother language, and English because English is the second language and it's also the international language, and there are many importance in English, so I learn it.
Thank you. Have a seat, please. Next.
Hi Sania, how are you?
Yeah, I'm great, and you?
I'm doing great. When did you learn English?
I learned English when I was in class 6. Then I started my journey in this English.
Do you think daily routine is important for a student?
Obviously, I think daily routine is important for a student because daily routine makes a student works their timely perfectly, and it's also helps their study more than.
Hi Sanina,
Hello, Jannat.
what's up?
Yeah, great. And you?
I'm fine too. What is holiday?
uh, please change your question. This question was got I was gotten by Maisha, so
Okay. Which public holiday is your favorite?
um, my favorite public holiday is it's Eid because I'm Muslim and I also like Eid. Okay, next question.
Do you have any daily routine?
Yeah, I have a daily routine because I'm a student, and daily routine is one of the most important part of our life because it's makes our work timely, perfectly, etc.
Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank
You are very fluent and jolly during this session. Thanks, Sonia. Begin for Sonia. Okay, please sit down. Next, you.
Hello Anna, how are you?
Okay, I'm fine. And you?
I'm all. What is your friend favorite color?
My friend's favorite color is pink, yellow, green.
But why?
Um, when my friends see these colors, they feel glad.
Please describe your daily routine.
In my daily routine, at first I woke up early in the morning at 6 a.m.
Please close your microphone.
Then I wash my face and I study. I do my homework and then I get ready for school and I go to school. After that, when I came back in my home, then I take rest for 2 hours, and then in the afternoon I go to play, and I play cricket, football, etc.
Okay.
Okay.
Next.
Do you like holiday?
Yes, I like holiday.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Hi Anna, how are you?
Oh, I'm fine. And you?
I'm doing great. Um, would you like play in a public garden? Would you like play in a public garden or park?
There are no public garden in my hometown, but there is a park in my hometown. I go there in the afternoon. I like to play there.
Do you think English is difficult to learn? What do you do in your holiday?
I like to travel in my holidays. I like to exploring new places and tasting new foods.
Hi Anna, how are you?
Okay. Hello, I'm fine. Hello, Jannat.
Do you think holiday is important for students?
Yes, holiday is important for a student. Second question.
Okay, do you ever seen a rainbow?
Yes, I have seen a rainbow the last Friday.
Would you like play in a public garden or park?
I answered the question. Second,
What is your favorite color?
my favorite color is green.
But why?
Whenever I see green color, I feel glad.
Oh. Okay, what is the most popular color in Bangladesh?
There are two colors are popular in Bangladesh. One color is green, and the nature of Bangladesh, and the second color is red, the blood of martyrs,
Oh, nice.
freedom fighters.
Thank you.
Hello, Anna, how are you?
Oh, I'm fine. And you?
Do you ever seen a rainbow?
Um, yes, I have seen a rainbow the last Friday.
Please, sorry, what are the special attraction in your hometown?
And there are many special attractions in my hometown. First of all, there is a park at the middle of my hometown. There is Patharghata, is very famous place in my hometown. There is also Lokma Rajbari.
Okay, thank you.
Did you complete?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, next. Masha.
Maisha, I can next. Hi Maisha, how are you?
I am great. And you?
I'm fine. Okay. Do you have any daily routine and why?
Yes, I have a daily routine because it's help my work timely. That's why it's help.
It helps to perform your work timely.
Yes.
Okay. Next.
When did you learn English? Please change your question. What do you do in your holiday? In my holiday, I woke up early in the morning. Then I fresh myself. Then I help my mother, and I do my homework, etc. What is holiday? What is holiday? Holiday is a day. It's keep from fear our works and it's fresh our mind. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is golden color.
Single question.
What are the main facilities of your hometown?
There are many facilities in my hometown. There is traffic system so high. There is 2 educational school, 1 high school and 1 girls school.
Do color affect your mind?
Yes, color is affect my mind. When I see dull color, my mood is so bad. When I see bright color, then I feel energetic.
Hello, Maisha, how are you?
I am fine. And you?
What are the most important color in Bangladesh?
I think it's blue because it's my favorite color. So that's why I like blue. And I think it's popular color in Bangladesh.
Oh, I see. Thank you.
Okay, good work. A big hands for Masha. I would like to give a chance to Jannat to say something in front of you. Are you ready, guys?
Hi, Jannat. How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm doing great. What color what color do you like?
I'll.
Hi, Jannat. How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm doing great. What color do you like?
I like every color, but green is my favorite color because it is nature color. I like nature.
Please describe in your daily routine.
In brief.
I get up early. I get up at 6 p.m. After.
Sorry.
What is your favorite color?
Repeat.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green because it is nature color. I love nature.
Do you live in a house or flat?
I live in a flat.
Why?
Why? Because we get Ask me another question.
Okay.
What are the important apps for a student?
Every learning app is important for students. Oh my god.
Hi, Jannat, how are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm also great. What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a doctor in my future because I want in my future I want to help poor people by them. Okay.
Do you like your hometown?
Yes, I like my hometown because every facilities are available.
Thank you, Jannat.
Well, it begins for Jannat. Now it's time.